What's up, guys? Here to do a burnout for you right before a winter storm hits. Let's get right to it. Track apps, line lock, initializing. Good times. Burning up my tires for y'all. All right, let's actually pull forward a little bit here. It's a bit smoky. Whew. The things I do in the name of YouTube. Hate when that happens when I get out with a key fob in my pocket. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. You know how we do. All right, just getting the smoke out of the car. Burn through these bad boys, these Continental Extreme Contact DWS-06s. And then next season, we'll do the Blizzax. For now, it's supposed to be warm next week. As soon as spring hits, we'll get those Michelin Pilot Sport Pros back on. Do it right. And smoke in the trunk. Notice I have microfiber cloths and drying towels with me at all times. Never know when you need those. Tires still look good. Laid back.